In this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to do to create your custom audience on TikTok ads. What's up guys, it's Seb here from Wolfio, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your TikTok ads and more specifically, how to link your current TikTok followers to your TikTok ads so you can retarget straight to your followers. So in order to do this, you obviously have to be logged into your TikTok ads account. Then you want to head over to assets and then select audiences. From here, you'll want to go ahead and create a new audience and do custom audiences. And then from here, you'll have a bunch of different options. So you have a customer file, you have engagement, app activity, website traffic, lead generation, and business account. This means you can literally create your own custom audiences. So if you already have a customer list, you can import your list here. If you have an app or you have website traffic, you can add all of those customers or those audiences in here, as well as lead generation. But like I said, we're going to be focusing more on our TikTok account, which we can see right here, which has 9,000 followers. And we're actually going to be creating an audience directly related to our TikTok audience. So in order to do this, you need to go ahead and link your TikTok business account. And if you don't know how to do that, then go ahead and check out this video right here, and I'll show you how to convert it to a business account. But don't worry, you can convert back to a regular account after you've done this. So first thing, you want to go ahead and click on this button. It'll then show you a pop-up icon where you just have to link that account. So you just go ahead and press authorize and make sure you are logged in to your TikTok account on desktop. So it makes that whole process really easy. It's literally just 2 clicks. Then you want to head back over here and then you'll be able to include your audiences. Now, a cool thing here is that we have our followers. So this is when a user follows as your TikTok business account. You'll actually get that data and add that to your audience. You also have 2-second views, 6-second, 100% view ratio, engagement, as well as profile visits. So for this video, we're going to do the followers. And then from here, what we can do is just give it an audience name. So followers, audience, and then enable refresh is on automatically. We can't disable it, which is great. And then from here, what we can do is go ahead and press confirm. Now what's going to happen is that it's going to create our custom audience, and then you're going to be able to see our actual TikTok audience size, which is going to be 0. And this is because the availability is unavailable. It takes 24 hours to refresh. So you can come back to this page in 24 hours and then this size will update. And this is where it says it right here. It may take up to 24 hours to do this. So that's how to create your custom TikTok audiences for TikTok ads. Now, I did want to make another video where we actually go through all of this and link every single option here. So your 2 seconds, 6 seconds, 100% view, engagement, and profile visits, just so we can actually see how much data it creates. Now, a cool thing with these other options, apart from the followers, is, for example, if we do profile visits, it'll have in the past X amount of days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create all of these audiences in the last 7 days. And then we're going to create a separate video, which you'll be able to watch right here. So you can see how much TikTok is actually linking from our TikTok account and creating these custom audiences with our account with only 9,000 followers. So if you want to check it out over here. We'll also leave it linked in the description down below. We're going to make a playlist on this, so be sure to tune in for the results.